How's it, everybody? It's Brandon here, and I'm going to be taking you through the spinal hygiene routine. I've been having a lot of requests recently about going through this routine and some of the key points to look at, and so today I'm going to explain everything and allow you to follow through. So let's just jump right into it. First thing we're going to do is spinal flexion or neck flexion and extension. So we want to have our hips starting in a neutral position. So normally when we're sitting and we go throughout our day, we have an anterior pelvic tilt. If you think about it as a cup, it may be pouring out some water. We want to be bringing it back, kind of balancing out that cup of water. So we have anterior tilt right here. Engage the glutes and bring your pelvis neutralized. And so we're also going to be having our shoulder blades brought back and brought down. So back and down. And this right here is our starting position. So first exercise, neck flexion and extension. So starting in this neutral position, we're going to try and bring our chin right to our chest and go ahead and extend up, feeling a nice stretch in the front of your neck, and go back down. And as we move through these ranges of motions, we want to have a pause at each end, the bottom and the top. So we're going to go ahead and do 5 more of these reps. And you want to take it nice and slow. Last one, down, and up. So that's neck flexion and extension. Next, we're going to do neck rotations. So again, in that neutral position, standing up tall, lengthening through our spine. We're going to go ahead and start to the left. Take it as far as you can go. Give it a second pause, and then come back to the right. The left and right will be 1 rep. And we'll be doing a total of 10. All right, next we're going to be doing neck lateral flexion. So we're going left and then right for a total of 10 reps as well. So again, neutral position, neutral pelvic tilt, shoulders back and down, palms facing forward. All right. And those are the 3 movements that are focusing on the neck. So these last 3 movements, we're looking at encompassing the spine in this area, and then the final move is just going to finish everything off and bring everything together. So the next one is going to be torso rotations. And so I like to have my hips in that neutral position, and I like to grip my hands as so. Bottom hand is going to dictate which way I'm going to be rotating. So bottom hand is my left hand. I'm going to be rotating to the left. And so you're going to start the movement with your head rotating around. Your body will follow after. And when you get to that end range of motion, you're going to give it an extra little push, engage the glutes, and that should take you to the end range of motion. So we're going to go left, we're going to go right, and that will be 1 rep, and we're going to do a total of 10. Next, we're going to be doing lateral bends. So basically, it kind of looks like you're a penguin walking down the road. But what we're going to be doing is setting our legs and hips, pelvis in that neutral position that I was talking about. Starting point is going to be hands on your hips. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reaching the back of our hand towards the opposite knee, back behind the knee. And so 1 rep is going to look like so. And this whole time while you're doing that, your legs should not be moving. Only thing should be moving is your torso laterally bending. And another variation, if this is too easy, you can go ahead and put your arms up in the air and go to the left and go to the right as such. But again, we don't want to be moving the legs. The legs are stationary, grounded in the ground. So 10 reps, here we go. Alright guys, good job. And now for the final maneuver we're going to be doing, it's called the spinal wave. It's where we're connecting all the pieces to the puzzle and we're getting our spine to move in one fluid movement. So what I want you to do is focus on rolling down 1 vertebrae at a time, and you're going to come all the way down. Everything's going to roll in, and starting with your head, you're going to look up, open your chest up as you rise, engage your glutes to protect your low back, and you're going to give a nice extension, kind of opening yourself up just to the world and the universe. Just take a big deep breath in. So we're going to do 10 reps of these. If this is too hard, work in that range that you can and slowly work on bringing more depth into the move. Okay, so we're going to do 10. Here we go. Remember, 1 vertebrae at a time. Roll in. Starting with your head, look up to the sky. Bring your shoulders back. Give it a nice stretch. And what you want to do is breathe in, going down, exhale, coming back up. spine, and that's the spinal hygiene routine. So those are the key points that I want you to focus on whenever possible. Try to get outside, get some sunlight and do it, get some fresh air, and also take off your shoes. Set your feet in the ground, strengthen up those feet muscles, and just really get grounded. I like to do this every day. I like to do it in the morning. It allows me to wake up, prime my body, get nutrients straight to my brain, because I heard somewhere that it said 90% of the nutrients that go to your brain come through movement. So we need to stay active, keep moving. We're going to be lubricating our joints with synovial fluid. We're increasing the blood and nutrients straight to our brain, upregulating our energies, and you're gonna find nothing but benefit that comes along with this, because if we fail to move our spine, that's when we start solidifying and fixating our movements and not being as fluid as our spine should be able to move. And so this is going to affect our quality of life. This is going to affect us, say, when we're out playing with our friends, when we're out doing our hobbies like surfing, and we're really stiff and we can't be able to pop up on our board right when we need to. You're going to see that there's nothing but great benefits that come along with this, and I implore you to give it a try. Like, subscribe, share this, tell your friends about this, practice it every day, let me know what you think, and that's all I got for you guys. All right, till next time, aloha.